there! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable water lock on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we will need to swipe down to open the control panel and then one time swipe left. Here, you will be able to find this icon with 2 water drops. Click on it to enable the water lock. Now let's talk about what does this function do it. This function was invented so you can easily go to a swimming pool or take a shower with your watch on your wrist, and the water drops won't accidentally click something on the screen. Now, as you can see, I'm clicking on the screen but nothing is happening. So now let me show you how to disable the water lock. For that, we would need to hold this home button for about 2 seconds. These sounds that you was able to hear is special sounds which are ejecting the water from your watch. And after these sounds, don't forget to shake your watch off to get the water off your watch completely. And that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.